Welcome to OLOP. I'm Jonathan.
I'm Curtis.
And we're the Wagners. Welcome to our channel, and we're so thankful that Tiny Home Tours did our tour officially.
Yes.
And we have almost or nearly doubled our subscribers.
Yes. And we are OLOPRV.
We really wanted to do a video just to thank everyone for subscribing to our channel and kind of tell you about our channel and things that you can expect, just because we had so many new subscribers since we started. Right. Our life, our plan, goal is to travel the lower 48 for the next year and a half. We've already went through about half, or maybe a little more than half. So we are going to finish up that tour, and our channel will keep evolving as we evolve. Right. And again, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. That has meant a lot, and it got us more motivated to keep going.
Yes.
We're uploading 2 videos a week, and one pertains to our travel itself, and the other one pertains to whatever we feel like posting, but it's mainly around the bus or in the bus. And that is very little editing that we do on that one. Oh, I have to say, everybody, that we don't have to go to a Apple store.
Yes.
I finally got my computer updated and everything. We're up and running right now, and we have ordered and
scan disk 1 terabyte fast card.
Yes, SSD card, and we're super excited about that. It is. I can literally put it in water and it shouldn't hurt or damage it.
We're not gonna try that. And
we have a gimbal for my camera coming next week.
Yeah.
So we're really excited about that. So I can do we're gonna change the way we record and edit and everything all at the same time. But of course, we won't be implementing that until the next couple of weeks, because we're waiting for everything to arrive, first of all. And I've already pre-recorded a couple of our part of our journey, or part of our traveling the lower 48.
So we're trying to step it up.
So I am so excited about that, and I got the Final Cut Pro already downloaded. We just got overwhelmed with so much love and everything from the Tiny Home Tours that we been just busy this week. It's been a very busy week for us. So
we've had a friend pass away and other drama, and so there's a lot going on.
We have a lot going on. Yes, it has been a very busy week. We will be doing some really nice renovations to the bus to make our life easier on the road. Right. We have solar that we're going to work on.
Yes. And we got a chronic leak that we're going to replace the hatch and delete it, actually, and fix that.
We have we have storage issues that we're going to complete also, and just make it more functional in the bus as we live in it.
Since my driving's not the best, I round corners too fast. And
oh my gosh!
I try not to get in people's way. And
the last 3 days, he's hit so many corners.
Just 3. But yes, I don't know what it was. But I never clipped the back wheels, but
he's clipping everything he sees at this point.
So stuff that hasn't moved for 20-something thousand miles is all of a sudden flying around, and so we got to do a little better. I have to do a little better at that.
Yes.
Right. There is some confusion though. Like, some people think you're my grandson.
Oh, whatever. Yes, we've had a couple of haters on the Tiny House Tour, but we expected it, and we are a gay couple.
Yes. And we're not creepy, we're not gross, we're not a man and a woman. But we are OLOPRV, and we are our life, our plan.
We have a lot of positivity and love to share with you, and I hope you get some positivity from us as well.
Yes.
And we're really glad that everybody opened
us with open arms.
Right. We figured that we got rid of most of the haters anyway, and the ones that subscribe to our channel are the ones that will be our long-term friends.
Yes. And to all of those who said, if you're in our area, We'd love to meet you. If we're ever in your area, we're making a list.
We are making a list.
And we will call you. And we love meeting new people. Anyone, you do not have to be a schoolie to get us to stop. And you don't have to be, even if you just don't like us but want to see our bus. We're welcoming to all. And we will definitely, if we're getting close to your area, we'll definitely try our best to
we would
give
love
you a
that.
tour and say hello and
just
go
meet you
from there.
Yeah, and our number one thing when we meet people, we would probably just go out to eat or whatever. Just keep it really casual and fun. But
And bring your cups because Jonathan loves to give away ice.
and so crazy. Yeah. Okay. From van lifers to schoolies to nomadic lifestyles or just people that like to travel, we always have something in common with you. So don't feel like you have to be in a schoolie itself to follow us or whatnot. And we have most of the things that we deal with, everybody deals with.
Yes. And try to give us comments if you see something we're doing you don't like, other than he and I being together. Write it down, send it to us, and constructive criticism is always welcomed.
Yes.
Praise is always welcomed. And if you like what we're doing, tell us. If you don't, tell us.
We love interacting, and it does keep a lot of people interactive with our channel as well, because there's a lot of questions that people have and they don't really answer.
Right.
Or, I'm sorry, they don't really ask. So it's always really nice having people to interact with, and just seeing your name or whatnot means a lot to us.
Yes.
We build that connection with our viewers. So please, interact. Also, if you ever see any negative comments about us on any of our channels, do not give them any satisfaction and give in to that. All you have to do is ignore them. And that's what we are pushing. So we're thankful that nobody has given any lip to those negative comments on our tiny house tour as well.
And you see I'm biting mine because I've been told I can't.
He is not allowed to do any comments. He's not allowed to do any of the negative comments himself. Right. He has wanted to, but let's be the higher people and don't give in to the negativity. We have lived in Georgia and Mississippi our whole life. We're used to the negative comments. Why give into it?
Right.
So it doesn't even matter.
Right.
So keep that in mind. If you ever see anything on our channel, don't even give into it.
It's the saying, in with hate, out with love. Just ignore it.
Right.
I have all these sayings that Johnny can't even keep up with.
I always say, you have to have love to give love.
You have to have love to give love.
And we have love. So we able to give love.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes you just got to smack them and say, sorry about that. Just kidding. Hope you're enjoying our channel. Our Life, Our Plan, RV.
We have one chance to live, so make it your life, your plan. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.
Hit that bell notification.
And bing.
We love you.